Hey guys! Ever scrolled TikTok and seen those talking babies or that wild Italian brain rot clip with millions of views and thought, how do they pull that off? Today we're diving into Vidu and building your own viral brain rot animation from start to finish. First, head to Vidu and sign in with your upgrade code. You can mention the Android or iOS app, but we'll demo on the web interface since that's what YouTube influencers need. Credits loaded? Let's go. Open a new project and select Vidu Q1 in the top left corner. That's our go-to for text to video and image to video. For reference to video, switch over to Vidu 2.0. Let's start with text to video. Type "Burr burr patapim, monkey creature dancing under moonlit plaza shouting burr burr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim." Add your scene details, environment description, and pick cinematic style. Hit generate and watch Q1 render a sharp, stable 1080p clip with minimal distortion. Next up, image to video. Upload your first frame of ballerina cappuccina standing still with a cappuccino cup head. Then upload the last frame of her mid-twirl with frothy coffee cups floating around. Add ballerina morphs into cappuccino swirl under spotlight and hit go. Q1 nails the smooth motion, rich detail, and coherent transitions. Now let's layer in reference to video on Vidu 2.0. Import up to 7 shots of your tralalero tralala shark character. Front shot, side shot, open mouth shot, whatever you have. Save them in your personal library for reuse. Drag them into the timeline, set each to 2 seconds, and generate. You get a jump cut montage that bursts with tralalero tralala energy. Time for AI sound effects. Click the audio tab, type sizzling espresso pop, playful monkey giggle, echoing choir shout, burr burr patapim, then tralalero tralala. Set durations and timestamps, layer sounds on separate tracks. Now your animation speaks, slurps, and boings in perfect sync.
Burr burr patapim.
Want a quick viral template? Try template to video. Upload 2 photos, pick transformation or kiss or hug, and Vidu auto-generates a trending clip. No prompts needed. Need to match a camera shake or character jump height. Use adjustable movement amplitude to dial motion up or down. And if you're on the ultimate plan, flip on non-peak mode to generate videos free during off-peak hours and save credits. When you're happy with your 5-second or up to 20-second clip, thanks to Q1's longer video support, preview it, tweak color or timing, then export high resolution. Drop that masterpiece on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or X with hashtag Vidu2025 or another hashtag ViduAI. Tag ViduAI official account and include your unique reward code in the description so viewers get extra credits. Don't forget to show the Vidu logo or watermark in your video for brand recognition. That's your hands-on tutorial. Open Vidu, load your credits, pick Q1 and 2.0, mix text to video, image to video, reference to video and sound effects, try templates, tweak movement, and post. So why are these AI-generated faceless videos blowing up on TikTok right now? Simple. They're fast, cheap, weirdly addictive, and they bypass the biggest hurdle most creators face, showing their face. You've got AI doing the storytelling, voiceovers, even animations, and all you need is a hook that stops the scroll. People watch, like, share, and TikTok rewards you with more views. Now here's the money part. Once your video hits, you can slap on affiliate links, drive traffic to a product, grow niche accounts to sell later, or offer content creation as a service to clients. These faceless viral machines are pulling in serious cash, and the best part? You don't even need to be on camera. Vidu will generate all the content for you. To give you an idea, one viral faceless AI video that hit 40 million views could easily bring in a few thousand just from creator fund bonuses in some regions. But the real money? That's in brand deals, affiliate conversions, and product sales. If you plug in the right offer, even a 1% conversion can mean 5 figures, all from a 1-minute AI-made clip. With Vidu, your creativity is always within reach. This new phone app lets you generate ideas and content wherever life takes you, at home, in a cafe, or while traveling. Creativity knows no limits. Viral brain rot magic is in your hands. Ciao for now.